Hey guys, I'm getting me some Jamaican food. Look.
This is just for content. Content. With my best friend. That's okay. It's better.
Oh shit, this look good.
And making your own content.
This chicken look good as fuck.
Time and then embarrass me in front of everybody trying to make content with my best friend. Yes, you will. Based off the fact that you're trying to defend yourself in this situation shows how trifling you really are. This is not a normal reaction to someone who thinks that their girlfriend is cheating. I didn't do anything.
Bro, they put peas, carrots, and they fizz out.
And be okay with not using the condom. That was a joke. It was a joke. The only joke that's here is you. Dead ass. Now, if you stop talking, let my boy Serge go ahead and tell you why they're here so you can stop coming at the camera like that.
I didn't know it sucked. So, this entire thing was a test, right? I'm sure you know that. But we actually have been recording, like, not just today, but also last time when we brought Carlos' jacket, we recorded that as well. And I have some footage here for you to, like, watch, listen to if you want to see it.
Yeah. Hey, yo, that was it.
Guys, so right now I look a mess, but I'm making breakfast for my boyfriend. Do he deserve breakfast? No, but I'm making it because we got drunk last night. I mean, I don't remember a lot of it because that's what I happens all the time. One egg. Tablespoon. Then we need some. We got our mini skillet right here. Got a lot of stuff put away. And skillet. So cute. I got this at guys, so I'm about to make some hot dogs. I got some, what is it called? Ballpark dog. Oh! So I'm about to put those in the pot. And then we got some chili. I actually got 2 cans. I'm about to open that up right now. I put on my onion and bell pepper, and I'm about to put in this chili. Guys, I put the chili on them. Now I'm about to put these in the oven. Some tomatoes and some more onions. So this is how they looking. I'm about to do this plate real quick. Okay guys, finished product.